Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find someone by username on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click Friends in the left sidebar to open your friends list. The main area updates to show your current friends and any pending requests. Click the Add Friend button at the top to bring up the username field where you can send a request. A text box appears with a prompt asking you to enter the username. Type the username you're looking for. In this example I'm using NovaQuinn. Then click Send Friend Request. The button sits just below the text field. A success message appears, confirming your friend request has been sent to that user. The request now moves to your pending list. If the username doesn't work, make sure you're typing it exactly as it appears. Discord usernames are case-sensitive and must match perfectly. You can also search for people using the quick switcher by pressing Ctrl and K together, then typing their username to see matching accounts in your recent conversations or mutual servers. Once someone accepts your friend request, they'll appear in your friends list, and you can open a direct message with them anytime. And that's how to find someone by username on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.